welcome to my home and to the second video in my spring cleaning series here on my channel. Today I'm sharing my daily cleaning routine, which is really just a collection of small habits that I do each day. Nothing too strenuous or time consuming, but just simple rhythms that help me to stay on top of the mess and keep my home feeling peaceful instead of overwhelming. So thank you for being here today with me. I hope you enjoyed this little peek into one of my daily routines. Morning, cuties. Can we make the bed this morning? Are you guys ready to wake up this morning? Are you ready to wake up this morning and have a great day? Are you ready to have a great day? I think someone is not ready to rise and shine yet. Good morning, Bean. You ready to wake up today? You're so sleepy today? You gotta rise and shine, buddy. Rise and shine, buddy. Rise and shine. The first thing I always do is tidy up my nightstands, which you just saw, and I make the bed. Some days, like today, that's a bit of a negotiation with the dogs. They do love to lounge, and they would probably stay in bed all day if I let them. So let's just say the bed did get made today, eventually, with a few paws still in it.
To make the bed with you in your good spot. I don't want to make you get out of your good spot. You look so cozy. You look so cozy, buddy. I love you. Okay, maybe we just make half the bed today. We just make half the bed today. Gotta pull the covers, Stanley. Today is the day we're showing everybody on YouTube our morning and evening clean routines. And part of it's making the bed. So we definitely have to show making the bed today. We can't not make the bed today. We gotta make the bed today. I know none of you want to do it. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, maybe Mommy will have to come back later and finish making the bed. Okay. We're having a lazy day. We're just having a lazy day. All right, well, Mommy's gonna make half the bed.
You want to see my gym? Yeah. This is not for dogs. This is not for dogs. It's for people. But they want to see it.
You're not getting up, huh? Check on baby, Hank. You still sleeping? You still sleep? Okay, he says, don't mess with me, Mom. I'm still sleeping. He says, don't mess with me, Mom. Sleeping guys next to each other. Oh my goodness, you guys are so sleepy today. So sleepy today. You want to come have coffee in the chair with me? Let's get in the chair and have some coffee. Come on. Come here. Come here. Whoa. Come on. All right. Coffee time. Give me a kiss. Oh, this is my favorite part of the day, buddy. Yeah, my favorite part of the day.
After I take a bit of quiet time for myself with my coffee, I do take my mug to the sink and rinse it immediately. I made a personal rule a few years ago that unless I'm cleaning the kitchen or cooking, I will always do my best to keep the sink clear, completely clean, nothing in it. So it has really helped me do small things like this because you think, oh, one mug in the sink, it's fine. And then you blink and there is a week's worth in there. So I try to just put things away properly once I finish with them. It really only takes a minute or two. I know a lot of people like to do this as part of their evening tidy, but at the end of the day, I'm tired and I don't want to deal with a bunch of dishes. So I try to just clean them as I use them. After that, I head to my bathroom to get ready for the day. One thing that I do in here that I think really helps me keep the bathroom clean all the time is wipe down my vanity with a dry microfiber cloth right after I do my makeup. I think it just keeps everything clean. You know, that powder we use really does get everywhere and we don't notice it until it's overwhelming. So I keep the microfiber cloth here in the vanity and it has just become a habit for me now. I also do the same to my sink area after I finish doing my hair, and that helps a lot as well.
Down there. Hank, are you okay? Time to get the gremlins from underneath the bed. What? Oh my goodness, do we have a monster under the bed? We do. There's a monster under the bed. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, there's a monster under the bed. There's a toy monster under the bed. Hey, toy monster. A toy monster. A toy monster. What? What? A toy monster.
I mentioned in my last video that I do have a daily laundry schedule. I do one load a day based on type, and I like to just quickly put my load in the washer before I start working for the day. So today my load of laundry is light colors. If you're curious as to the laundry detergent I do use laundry sheets. They are by a brand called Earth Breeze. I'm actually almost out. I'm about to refill my little container now. I am someone who has very, very sensitive skin. I also have a pup, Stella, who has skin issues. She has a condition. She has skin allergies. Just about anything and everything irritates her skin as well. So a while back, I had talked to my dermatologist about myself, and they had recommended switching to a more gentler laundry detergent, and that's when I started using Earth Breeze. These sheets are hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested, non-irritating, which makes me feel good about using them not only on my clothes and my undergarments, but also my bedding, the dog's bedding, all of those things. Plus, they come in this really great recyclable packaging, which I'm about to open right now because I need to restock my little container here. I also love that they have a very small footprint in my laundry room. No bulky giant laundry detergent containers to deal with. So that's really, really nice. It's just one of those things I have swapped in my home that I feel really good about. If you were looking for a gentler detergent to try in your home, I highly recommend Earth Breeze. They were kind enough to sponsor this video and offer us 40% off with auto shipment. So I will put a QR code here on the screen for easy shopping. I will also put a link in the description box below. You can just use one of those and it'll take you right to their site. Definitely recommend this if you are thinking about switching. I could not see myself using something else, so wanted to share them here with you today. After that, I just head down to my office and officially start my workday. Since I really want to focus on my cleaning routines in this video, you won't see much of that, but if you are curious, I do have a video where I shared my workday in the past, so I will be sure to link it in the description below. One thing I also like to do daily is take any receipts from my purse and file them. That way I can keep track of everything. It's just become a habit. I usually bring my purse in here with me at the start of my workday. Today was a good day because camera guy brought over sushi for lunch today. Do not worry, I did not eat all of this by myself. He definitely helped, but I just wanted to show you how pretty the tray looked. And yes, it did taste as yummy as it looked. Of course, after lunch, I try my best to stick to my nothing in the sink rule, so I will quickly rinse everything and get it put into the dishwasher. I also like to take 30 seconds here to just wipe down the counters as well. I do the same thing after dinner, but I find it easier to do it a little bit at lunch, a little bit at dinner, because in the evenings after work, I'm tired and I want to keep the cleaning minimal and not overwhelming. So this just helps me. My whole strategy is clean as you go. That really is the key to my daily cleaning routine. Before I get back to work after lunch, I do a couple of things. I transfer my laundry from the washer to the dryer and of course hang any pieces that I want to air dry. This is also when I check my mail for the day. My mail person comes in the morning, so right afternoon is the perfect time to just get some fresh air and go get my mail. I sort it right then and there in the doorway, and then I have a box for mail on my desk that I need to tend to. I always try to tackle this box on Friday so it doesn't pile up, and then I immediately shred or recycle anything else. The mail can get completely out of hand, as I'm sure you know, very quickly. It sneaks up on us. So this is the only thing that helps me keep it under control and organized. I'm usually done with my workday around 5 or 5:30. This is when my evening quick tidy reminder goes off on my phone. I will always just start by tidying my desk and workspace, and then I literally walk out of the office and close the door. So I basically close out my office for the day. It is something that has just really helped me set a boundary for myself since I work from home. My workday is over. I need to put it down and take some time to myself, to the dogs, to relax, to do other things that I need to get done in life outside of work. I have to close this door at the end of the day. It feels feels good. This is when I will do my whole house quick tidy. Today, I did not have very many things to do. The house was pretty much in order. I did decide to quickly vacuum the stairs because they were looking a little dusty. And then, of course, there's always dog toys to pick up and pillows to fluff on Buddy's favorite lounge chair. So I did that. Before I feed the dogs, eat dinner, and relax for the night, I like to do a little turn down service for myself in the bedroom. It's just always so welcoming to come in at the end of the night to a fresh bed that is ready to be jumped into. Likes to sleep with his favorite toy. A toy that you saw at the beginning of this video, he conveniently always takes under the bed and he leaves it there. So I usually have to fish it out, but he will look for it. So I usually have it waiting for him on the bed when we go to sleep. I just wanted to say quickly, thank you for hanging out with me here today on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed getting a little peek into what my daily cleaning rituals look like. It's nothing too extravagant, but I am a firm believer that those tiny little micro habits that we develop are truly the things that keep our homes clean and tidy and under control. If you're wondering what is coming up here on the channel, we have more spring decorating to do. I'll be decorating my breakfast room for a Mother's Day brunch that's coming up. And then I really like to keep spring in my home after Easter and slowly transition it into summer over the month of May. So we'll be doing that here on my channel as well. I would love for you to join me. I will see you again very soon in the next video. Until I do, take care and happy decorating.